Cyprus is a global business center offering numerous opportunities to entrepreneurs and business people looking for a jurisdiction to base their operations. The island is an ideal investment gateway to the European Union as well as a portal for investment outside the EU. Its highly skilled human resource is another reason to set up a business in Cyprus and access European and global markets. An investor or entrepreneur can set up a company, trust, fund, or partnership under Cyprus law. With corporate tax being at 12.5% and dividend tax at 0%, Cyprus is an attractive destination to do business. Its solid and transparent legal framework offers a wide range of incentives and advantages both for legal and natural persons. Cyprus has seen rapid development due to the real estate sector, which is currently booming. The Cyprus Investment Program enables someone to become a Cyprus citizen through investing in property. Other strong sectors include technology, innovation and startups, as well as fintech companies. Retail and manufacturing industries can also use Cyprus infrastructure as a base or transit location. Shipping is also one of the leading sectors on the island, with Cyprus being a world-class international maritime cluster. Natural gas discoveries have also attracted worldwide interest. In addition, the filming industry has been recently discovering Cyprus through important incentives encouraging film production. With year-round tourism and major city resorts, as well as internationally awarded marinas and casinos, tourism and hospitality remain one of the most important growth sectors of the island. For wealthy individuals, Cyprus offers business prospects, tax advantages, and gateway to a different lifestyle and opportunities to work or travel around the world without any restrictions. At Hedge Priority Trust Services, we boast an extensive network of experienced professionals, including lawyers, accountants, tax investment advisors, and property consultants. Our full range of services includes corporate and commercial law, immigration, citizenship applications and permanent residence permits, advanced business structuring, and property law, such as acquisition of property in Cyprus by EU and third country nationals. To discover Cyprus as a business and lifestyle destination, our team will be in New Delhi in February 2020 to inform you on all matters regarding doing business and investing in Cyprus and the rest of Europe and living in one of the most cosmopolitan islands in the world.